identify, verify, other, climb out, come back. Those will point to. I'd like to physically, mentally prepare myself for the departure.
517 Lima Papa, taxiing to the run-up area, South Jersey.
Because of the deer, this is going to be a short field takeoff. Temps are now in the green.
Left downwind runway 19 departing to the northeast.
Lights. Got G. I got a green gear. There's the upwind traffic. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche departing runway 08 to the northeast.
Wait, 19.
Want to try and keep
Number 2.
yoke flat. Power up, gauge is good. I'll release the brakes now. Full power, gauges are good. Airspeed's alive.
Flying to the traffic, Cherokee turn, final for 19 or flying W.
Here we go.
South Jersey traffic, November 888, Mike Sierra, left downwind, runway 8,
Brakes.
South Jersey.
Get the gear right up. Pitch the nose down, lots of right rudder. Blue line, commit to flying. That's a fuel pressure, that's nothing. Flaps are coming up, 300 feet. Now I'm at 120, climbing out. Left pump.
South Jersey, traffic 3, helicopter is 5, west, inbound landing, South Jersey, at 800.
South Jersey Twin Comanche crosswind 08 northeast departure.
Ocean County, Kayak, November Yankee, turning downwind, runway 6, County. Liquid.
Alright, we're going to stay on the mains, pumps are off. Chopper is that way. Got 140, 45,000 foot per minute climb.
Northeast traffic, experimental cub is 4 miles west. We'll be entering the left downwind for 27 crossing.
Flaps confirmed up, gears confirmed up.
South Jersey traffic, November 888, Mike Sierra, left base, runway 8, South Jersey. Flying to the traffic, Cherokee's clearly active.
We're coming through the stage, over.
Harvard traffic, 99, W89, Romeo turning base for 19, flying to
Alright, so about a 150 heading, I am out of the Bravo, we're good.
McGuire, good afternoon, 93
I'll try and talk through these stalls.
November 928 Kilo Kilo, McGuire departure ident.
First thing I'll do is power back to about 15. That'll start slowing me up. I'll bump the mixtures and props slightly as I clear the area with a little bit of trim.
93 Kilo Kilo, Roger, McGuire approach from the altimeter 3035 and say request.
As I get within gear speed, I'll drop the gear. I'm on the mains. Headlights will come on for this.
November 3 Kilo Kilo, squawk 0422.
Give it some trim. My gear is confirmed down.
November 313 Mike Alpha, 4,500.
Now I don't like the sun. I'm within flap range. Gonna dump all the flaps. Little trim.
November 313 Mike Alpha, McGuire approach from McGuire altimeter 3035. Say request.
Mixtures are up. Props are up.
Currently 4,500, 2 miles south of Ocean County Airport.
Alright, we're getting into below blue line.
November 3 Mike Alpha, squawk 1515.
Time to go rich. Props are full forwards.
November 93 Kilo Kilo, radar contact 3
Dump
miles
the flaps,
south of
now I'm
Lakewood
light.
Airport, maintain VFR. Maintaining VFR 93 Kilo Kilo. November 3 Mike Alpha, radar contact 1 mile southwest of
Traffic
Ocean
check.
County Airport, maintain VFR.
Routinely, I'll bump the left one up. lots of right rudder in the turn. Let's bring this out. Use it more feet. As you turn final, I got a visual way out there. I start to come down final, I'll stabilize. There's my blue line, someone steps out in front of me. Power is at idle. And I start to hold the nose up. Ball in the feet. Ball in the feet, no aileron. There's the brake. Nose down, nice pitch. I bring in the power. Power comes full. One flap, 1, 2. Get this up. Here comes up, positive rate of climb. I can tell with the pitch. Rest of the flaps come up. Now, gears up. There you go. Back to my 3000. So, for a power on stall, I start to slow up to this speed. I give it some power. And I'm going to hold this. Same thing, it's all in the feet. Right there on the brake. Drop the nose. My foot pushes it in. And I climb out of this. I climb out of this. It'll take a little more power. There you go. That was a power on stall. And now let's get a recovery. 20. Lead her out to the free trim. Reversing course and headed back home. That was my exciting day out. Let's go back and see about a landing. So we'll go to flight plan, highlight the cursor. 2903. From that way. On the main.
Wind calm. Visibility 10. Altimeter 3037.
Now, direct South Jersey, if I want to draw an extended center line, I suspend. There it is. And it's coming in. HSI, so there's really no reversing. South Jersey Twin Comanche's on a 45. We have the traffic turning downwind. I'll do a 360 out here for spacing.
We're going to make a short approach anyhow, so you got it. South Jersey. Claremont, Grumman 9498, Lima, 3 to the southwest.
All right.
431, Claremont. Traffic left concerning final, runway 1, flying W. 517 Lima, Papa, you landing at South Jersey? Okay, we'll follow you. Cincinnati, sorry, we can't make that short approach. We're going to follow 517 Lima, Papa.
No worries, Twin Comanche's on a 360 out here. Twin Comanche's re-established 45, left downwind 08.
Mike is 5 west out of 2000 inbound on the RNAV Bravo. We'll break it off about.
Alright, 140 is my speed. Let's slow this baby up. We're going to keep this in tight also. Got a green, gears down. I can't see anything, so. There's the runway. On the mains, I got G. Gears down. Alright, slow this up. I want to get down to 900.
There's traffic November 888 Mike Sierra, left cross, left base, runway 8, South Jersey.
South Jersey Twin Comanche downwind. I have the base traffic. I got one flap gear, I got G. Mixture of props to go. That guy went around. That's a long base leg.
Citation overhead the field handler down there. South Jersey traffic, light 4517, Lake Papa, going around, runway 8, South Jersey. I like the traffic done. South. Are you in the sky or are you on the ground? And over traffic, Echo 642, Sierra Papa, gonna go flying the field, north to south, enter left downwind 22, over.
I got a bunch of light sports in the pattern, so we'll keep this slow. I'm going to hold blue line till I'm happy. So we're even going to dump all the flaps. Mixture of props are full. Pumps, lights, I got G, G, U, M, P. Full flaps.
And over traffic, 7316 downstairs, 7 miles to the west, inbound.
Blue line, gear down.
The traffic, Archer 282, that was 5 to the north, inbound, Lakewood.
Da-da-da.
And Lakewood traffic down.
Gears down.
South at that point.
Power to idle now. I'm going to...
Mike Sierra is clear of the active runway, South Jersey.
At the airport, doing a teardrop for
I keep the pitch. That's going to keep from falling. There we go. Watching for deer. Watching for deer. Mixtures will be chopped. No deer. Well, there they are.